There's always something to do at the Iowa State Fair, and that includes hands-on experiences, like, milking a cow. Corey here is a student at Iowa State, and you're also involved with the I Milked a Cow exhibit. How many years have you done this?
This is my first year as a co-chair.
Okay, so you've done this before and seen people come through. Tell me what it's like to see a little kid come through, maybe for the first time they've ever been this close to an animal.
It's great to see how much kids are really interested in the dairy industry and learning more about where their food comes from.
And that's what the fair really is about, is trying to bridge that gap. So we're with Maple today. Tell me a little bit about Maple.
Maple, she is a sweetheart. She's super soft, very pretty.
The dairy industry is one that is hands-on. It is 2 times a day. It is a huge commitment. You can't get that all in with the kids in 8 seconds, can you?
No, definitely not.
But maybe if you get a chance with the adults to kind of help them out.
For sure, for sure. A lot of adults have more questions than the kids, so it's definitely interesting to see.
Does Maple know that we're talking about her right now?
I think so.
Okay. So I'm going to give you the mic, Corey, and you're going to help me out, and I need you to treat me like I've never been on a dairy farm very often,
okay.
and to do this. So tell me what you would do with the kids. Take the mic, Corey.
Perfect.
You're in charge now.
So with Maple here, first we're gonna pet her, just to let her know we're back here, introduce her. And then we have an udder here, and we have 4 teats. So 2 teats in the front, 2 teats in the back. And then what I do is I pinch at the top and just slide my fingers down. And you might have to add a little bit of pressure. Yep, just like that. Perfect.
One more, Maple.
Perfect, you're a pro.
We see lots of kids come through. Walk me through some of the emotions and the varied apprehension maybe some of these kids have.
Yep, some of them are definitely a little scared at first, but as soon as we talk them through it and kind of help them out a little bit, the excitement on their faces is really what makes everything so much better after they finally milk.
It was a lot of fun. We had a good time. Last year, Jack was too afraid to do it, but this year he got right up in there and we milked the cow, right, Jackie?
Dawson is from Florida. It's his first time at the Iowa State Fair. You've heard about the fair before.
Yes.
And you wanted to milk a cow? How'd that happen?
It just happened, I just came over here. There's a bunch of cows that need to be milked, and I'm here for it. I love it. It was a very good learning experience. I got to learn about how long they produce, like 300 days, and how each one has their own gland, and it looked like they're kind of connected, and it looks really cool.
Are you ready to go milk a cow again, maybe for real, for a full-time job twice a day?
Honestly, it seems kind of relaxing, so yeah, I would love to be a farmer.
It's your first time at the fair. You've got all the stickers, you've got the tattoos, you've got the hat. Where's your milking hat?
I could get one over there. They got some cow ones for me, so I could easily get one there.